Yes, morning students. Yesterday, up to 18th problems are completed. Then we are going to 19th problem. Yes, integration of 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 dx. Integration of 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 dx. Here also, that is yesterday one student, what is 18th question answer, what you get is the same in answers. 18th question, what answer is given in 18th question? $7.5. We are getting in terms of logarithmic functions, but here given answer is 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of x by root 3 minus 3 into tan inverse of x by 2. Correct? Okay. Yes, yes. One minute. Yesterday, we discussing the problem. Answer is different answer is given in the textbook. Here we are getting, after resolving the partial fractions, t square plus 3t plus 2 by t plus 3 into t plus 3 into t plus 4 is equals to getting 1 plus 2 by t plus 3 plus minus 6 by t plus 4. Yes. Here we make one simple mistake, that is, what is t x square? We are substituting t is equal to x square. Here we substitute x is here, t is equal to x square, then go for integration. So strike off from this step. After this step, and what is the given solution is the strike off, then write from this step, that is x is t is x square, that is this value goes to x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4. We are doing a simple mistake here, not taking directly integration. First substitute what is t here is equal to integration of 1 plus 2 by x square plus 3 minus 6 by x square plus 4 dx. Yes. That is integration of 1 dx plus 2 into integration of 1 by x square plus root 3 whole square dx minus 6 into integration of 1 by x square plus 2 square dx. మరి నిన్న జరిగిన క్లాస్లో 18th ప్రాబ్లం తేడా పడింది, అంటే సింప్లిఫికేషన్లో చివరిలో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ తేడా పడింది. అది అంతవరకు 18th ప్రాబ్లం వరకు తీసే వీటిలో చివరి ప్రాబ్లం 18th ప్రాబ్లం లాస్ట్లో చెప్పిన ప్రాబ్లం that is equal to 1 integration is x plus 2 into this is integration of 1 by x square plus a square, that is tan inverse x by root 3 1 by a, that is 1 by root 3 into integration of 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a into tan inverse x by a minus 6 into 1 by a, 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Just verify that this answer is correct or not. That is x plus 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of x by root 3 minus 3 into tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Yes. Here we're doing simple mistake, that is directly you are taking integration. That is not correct. That's why first substituting what is the t here, then take integration on both sides. That is correct. ఇప్పుడు ఆ 18th ప్రాబ్లం సంబంధించి ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఒక 5 minutes చెప్పాను, అది కూడా కట్ చేసి 18th కంప్లీట్ అయింది. వద్దు, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది కూడా ఒక 5 minutes ఇప్పుడు చెప్పబోయేది 19th నుంచి చెప్పబోయేది కరెక్ట్, ఇది రేపటి. Yes, 19th problem. Integral 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 dx. Integral 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 dx. Here also first resolve into partial fractions. This is the proper fraction, that is 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 is equal to. So here this is irreducible factor, that is x square is equal to minus 1, x is equal to root of minus 1. This is also irreducible factor, x square plus 3 is equal to 0, x square is equal to minus 3, x is equal to root of minus 3. That's why you know ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus 3. Ax plus b by x square plus 1, cx plus d by x square plus 3. That is 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 is equal to, we are taking LCM, x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 is the LCM. In the numerator you get ax plus b into x square plus 3 plus cx plus d into x square plus 1. So denominators are cancelled, equating the numerators, that is 2x is equal to ax plus b into x square plus 3 plus cx plus d into x square plus 1. So here, equating the coefficient, there is no substitution. For example, you want to find out any value, but substitution method is not useful here. That's why equating the coefficient of x cube terms, equating coefficient of x cube terms. In LHS side, there is no x cube term, that is 0 is equal to, here ax into x square, ax cube, that is a. Here cx into x square, cx cube plus c. A plus c is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Equation 1. Next, equating the x square coefficients. Equating coefficient of x square. So here observe, in the LHS side there is no x square coefficient, that is 0 is equal to, here x square into b, bx square, x square into d, dx square, that is b plus d. Coefficient of x square terms. Then this is equation 2. Equating coefficient of x terms. Equating coefficient of x terms. Here ax into 3. Ax into 3, 3a. This is LHS side is 2. That is 3a. Ax into 3, 3a. Cx into 1 plus c. Cx into 1 plus c. That is x coefficients. That is the third equation. Next, equating constant terms. Equating constant terms. Equating constant terms. Here, in LHS side, there is no constant term, that is 0. Here, RHS side, 3 into b, 3b, plus d into 1 plus d. This is the fourth equation. Solving 1 and 3, we get a value and c value. Solving 2 and 4, we get b value and d value. So, right? Solving 1 and 3, a plus c is equal to 0, 3a plus c is equal to 2. That is subtract minus, 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 c cancel, minus 2a is equal to minus 2, a is equal to 1. Solving 1 and 3, we get a value 1. Substituting in first equation, 1 plus c is equal to 0. That implies c is equal to minus 1. 1 plus c is equal to 0. That implies c is equal to minus 1. Yes. Solving 2 and 4. Solving 2 and 4. That is b plus d is equal to 0. And 3b plus d is equal to 0. Here both equations is equal to zeros. There is no constants. That's why we are getting b is equal to 0 and d is equal to 0. Directly you can write. In these two equations, is equal to, there is no constant, is equal to zeros are given. That's why we get B is equal to 0 and D is equal to 0. Yes, substitute here. That is integration of 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 dx is equal to B value 0, A value is what? 1. Ax, that is x by x square plus 1 integration of A is 1, that is 1 into x, 1x plus B is 0. That's why x by x square plus 1 plus C. C is what? C is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into x, minus x by x square plus 3. Here D value 0 into dx. That is equal to integration of x by x square plus 1 dx minus integration of x by x square plus 3 dx. Here, what is the denominator? X square plus 1. What is the denominator derivative? 2x. Denominator derivative x square plus 1 derivative 2x. That's why here we required 2. That's why multiplying 2 and dividing with 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by x square plus 1 dx. Here also 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by x square plus 3 dx. You remember the formula, denominator derivative exists in the numerator. Integration of f dash x by f of x into dx, log mod denominator. Using that formula, 1 by 2 into log mod x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into log mod x square plus 3 plus c. Denominator derivative exists in the numerator. Then the formula is log mod denominator. So this is log mod x square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 minus log mod x square plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. That is, in single step you get log mod x square plus 1 by x square plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Log a minus log b, log a by b. That is 19th problem. Yes, 20th problem. Integration of 1 by x into x to the power of 4 minus 1 dx. Integration of 1 by x into x to the power of 4 minus 1 dx. First, resolve into partial fractions. So x to the power of 4 minus 1 is x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమే స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి తీసు క్లాస్ లాస్ట్ ఎండింగ్ అది ఇంకా ఉంది కాదు దానికన్నా ముందుకెళ్ళి 18th అని చెప్పి రాశాను కదా 18th ప్రాబ్లం స్టార్టింగ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఓకేనా ఓకే that is solution 1 by x into x to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 1 by x into x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. That implies 1 by x into, here x square minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1. 1 by x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 is equals to, here these three are reducible factors. This factor is irreducible factor. That's why a by x plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x plus 1 plus dx plus e by x square plus 1. A by x plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x plus 1 plus dx plus e by x square plus 1. A by x plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x plus 1 reducible factors plus dx plus e by x square plus 1, this is irreducible factor, that is 1 by x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 is the denominator, LCM. So in the numerator you get a into x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1, x cancel, plus b into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus dx plus e into x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is the LCM. So denominators are cancelled, equating the numerators only, that is 1 is equal to, here you observe this a into x minus 1 into x plus 1 means x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus dx plus e into x square minus 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1, x square minus 1. So here put x is equal to 0, we get a value. Put x is equal to 1, we get b value. Put x is equal to minus 1, put x is equal to minus 1, we get c value, like that. First substitutions. Put x is equal to 0 implies that is 1 is equal to a into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. X is equal to 0 here. 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. This is here x 0, here x 0, here x 0. Remaining all the three terms are zeros. Here you get 1 is equal to minus a. That implies a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Next, put x is equal to minus 1 implies x is equal to minus 1. Here you get value 0. Minus 1 whole square means 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Here minus 1. This value goes to 0. Or first 1. X is equal to 1. This value goes to 0. That is RHS 1 is equal to B into, here A value goes to 0, B into 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Here this value goes to 0, C into 1 minus 1, 0. Here 1 square minus 1, 0. That implies 2 into 2, 4. 1 is equal to 4B. That implies B is equal to 1 by 4. B is equal to 1 by 4. Put x is equal to minus 1 implies, that is in RHS, that is equal to 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square. 1 minus 1, 0. This is 0. Here put minus 1, 0. Here also put minus 1, 0. That is C into minus 1. C into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 whole square plus 1 implies here 1 is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, here plus 2. That is 2 into 2, 4, 4C. That implies C is equal to 1 by 4. This is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, here plus 2. 2 into 2, 4. Yes. Yes, equating the x to the power of 4 coefficients. Equating x to the power of 4 coefficients terms. Equating x to the power of 4 coefficient terms. Just observe this. Here, LHS side, there is no x to the power of 4 coefficients. That is 0. Is equal to, here x square into x square, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4 into a, that is a. Yes, just you see, first multiplying these two terms, x into x, x square plus x, that x square into x square, again x to the power of 4, that is b into x to the power of 4, that is plus b. Here again x into x minus 1, that is x square, that x square into x square, x to the power of 4, that is c plus c. Here again dx into x, dx square, dx square into x square, dx to the power of 4 plus d. Here we know a value, b value, c value. Substitute here, we get b value, d value. That is 0 is equal to a minus 1 plus b 1 by 4 plus c 1 by 4 plus d. Here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. From this you get minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus d is equal to 0. that is d is equal to plus 1 by 2. D is equal to plus 1 by 2. So we get A value, B value, C value, D value, and we required E value. We required E value. Yes, equating the coefficient of x terms. Equating the coefficient of x terms. Equating the coefficient of x terms. Here there is no x term. Only x to the power of 4 minus 1. Only constant term. Here x square plus x. X square plus x into x square plus 1. X into 1, x. X square into x square, x to the power of 4. X square into 1, x square. X into x square, x cube. Plus x into 1, x. That x into b, bx. That is, in RH, LH side, there is no x coefficient, 0. That is b. Again here, x into x, x square. X into minus 1, minus x. Into x square plus 1. So minus x into plus 1, minus x. Minus x into c, minus cx. That is minus c. Here again, x into this dx square plus ex into x square minus 1. X into dx plus e, dx square plus ex. So dx square into x square, dx to the power of 4, dx square into minus 1, minus dx square, ex into x square, ex cube, ex into minus 1, minus ex, that is minus e. But you know, b value, c value substitute, you get e value. What is b? 1 by 4. What is c? Minus 1 plus 1 by 4. 0 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus e. That is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 cancel. That is e is equal to 0. E is equal to 0. That is a, b, c, d and e also we get. After completing the partial fractions, right, integration of 1 by x into x to the power of 4 minus 1 dx, that is this value, x into x to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to a. A is what? Minus 1. Integration of minus 1 by x plus b. B is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 by x minus 1. C is what? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 by x plus 1 plus dx plus e. D is 1 by 2 plus e is 0. That is 1 by 2x by x square plus 1 into dx. dx. That implies split into 4 integrals here. Minus integration of 1 by x dx plus 1 by 4 into integration of 1 by x minus 1 dx plus 1 by 4 into integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx plus here 1 by 2 into integration of x by x square plus 1 dx Next step, do the integrations. That implies minus log mod x, integration of 1 by x log mod x, plus 1 by 4 into this also log mod x minus 1 by x minus 1 derivative 1, plus 1 by 4 into this is log mod x plus 1. Here denominator x square plus 1. What is the derivative of x square plus 1? 2x. That's why multiplying with the 2 and dividing with the 2. That is plus 1 by 4 into integration of 2x by x square plus 1 dx. Here denominator derivative exists in the numerator. That's why log mod denominator by using the formula. That implies here 1 by 4 is common. 1 by 4 into log mod x minus 1 plus log mod x plus 1. Here also 1 by 4 common. Log mod x square plus 1 minus log mod x plus c. Here 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. That's why I'm taking 1 by 4 common. Log mod x minus 1 plus log mod x plus 1 plus log mod x square plus 1. This is denominator derivative exists in the numerator. That's why log mod denominator. So this implies 1 by 4 into here log a plus log b plus log c, log abc. That is log mod x minus 1 into x plus 1, x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 minus log mod x plus c. That is final answer. Therefore, log mod x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole power 1 by 4 by x. Sorry, x ki 1 by 4 by x plus c. That's enough. This is you write in the power of 1 by 4 minus log a minus log b, log a by b. That is the 20th problem. Next, 21. Integral 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. Very important for 2 marks for objective type problems. A solution integral 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. So multiplying and dividing with e power x, that is integration of e power x by e power x into e power x minus 1 dx. Multiplying and dividing with e power x, that is e power x by e power x minus 1 dx. Let e power x is equal to t. Here just use the substitution method. E power x is equal to t. E power x derivative, e power x is equal to dt by dx, differentiating with respect to x, that is e power x into dx is equal to dt. So that is integral e power x into dx is dt 1 by t into t minus 1 into dt. E power x into dx is dt. This is t into t minus 1. You make it as a partial fractions. Here simply you can write in the numerator 1 is t minus of t minus 1. T minus of t minus 1. T minus t plus t cancel. Minus of minus plus 1 by t into t minus 1 dt. That is split into two integrals, t by t into t minus 1 dt minus integral t minus 1 by t into t minus 1 dt. So here tt cancel, t minus 1 cancel. Integration of 1 by t minus 1 dt minus integration of 1 by t dt. So log mod t minus 1, integration of 1 by x, log mod x, like that, log mod t minus 1 minus log mod t plus c, that is log mod t minus 1 by t. T is what? E power x. That's why e power x minus 1 by e power x plus c. That's enough. Log mod e power x minus 1 by e power x plus c. That is 22 is a simple problem. You do this 22 x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. Just to do the partial fractions first. Let us do the problem. Integration of x by x minus 1 into x minus 2. X by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. That is x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 LCM, numerator a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. That is x is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. That implies 1 is equal to a into 1 minus 2 That implies we get a is equal to -1. Put x is equal to 2, that implies 2 is equal to b into 2 minus 1, that implies b is equal to 2. So that is integral x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx is equal to integration of a minus 1 by x minus 1 plus b 2 by x minus 2 dx. That is equal to minus integral 1 by x minus 1 dx plus 2 into integral 1 by x minus 2 dx. That is minus log mod x minus 1 plus 2 into log mod x minus 2. That is equal to log mod x minus 2 whole square minus log mod x minus 1 plus c. That is log a minus log b, log a by b. That is log mod x minus 2 whole square by x minus 1 plus c. That's enough. Yes, last problem in this exercise, that is a 23. It's 23. Integral 1 by x into x square plus 1 dx. One reducible factor and another is irreducible factor. Let's write solution. 1 by x into x square plus 1 is equal to a by x plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. A by x plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. That is 1 by x into x square plus 1 is equal to x into x square plus 1 is the LCM. In the numerator, a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x. That is 1 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x. So put x is equal to 0, we get a value. Put x is equal to 0 implies 1 is equal to a into 0 plus 1 plus this is 0. That is a is equal to 1. So equating the coefficient of x square terms, equating coefficient of x square terms, equating coefficient of x square terms. So on LHS side there is no x square term, that is 0, is equal to here ax square, that is a, bx into x, bx square, that is plus b. So here a is 1, 0 is equal to 1 plus b, that implies b is equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1. Then equating the coefficient of x terms, equating the coefficient of x terms, on LHS side there is no x coefficient, 0, is equal to bx plus c into x, that is here cx, c, so c value 0. On RH side there is no x square terms, only one term is there, cx, so that's why x coefficient is c. On LHS side there is no x coefficient, that is 0, c is equal to 0. Then integral 1 by x into x square plus 1 dx is equal to integral a is 1 by x plus b is minus 1, minus 1 into x, minus x plus c 0, minus x by x square plus 1 dx. That implies integral 1 by x dx minus here multiplying with the 2 and dividing with the 2. 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by x square plus 1 dx. Denominator derivative exists in the numerator. So here multiplying with the 2 and the denominator dividing with the 2. This is log mod x minus 1 by 2 into this is log mod denominator x square plus 1 plus c. So this is therefore log mod x by x square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Log a minus log b, log a by b.
Yes.
That's completing the 7.5 exercise by using partial fractions, integration of the given functions. Next concept, integration by parts. Make a heading. Integration by parts. So today time is over. Tomorrow onwards we discuss the new concept, that is integration by parts. Integration by parts means in differentiation we know product rule, UV formula. In integration also we have a product rule, that is called integration by parts. Tomorrow we will discuss and continue the next exercise. Okay, thank you.